Hi, I'm Dennis Gibbs, the Boat Guy, and welcome to this week's edition of Virtual Sea Trials. Today we are out on beautiful Lake Louisville and Eagle Point Marina to sea trial this 2008 brand new Regal 4060. He's got a lot to offer, lots of room down below, and most important, the price of this boat has been drastically reduced. So come on aboard, let me show you what she's got. Check out the impressive dash of this 4060 Regal. Notice all the equipment mounted in the dash already. This boat's ready to go with a combination chart plotter radar, automatic pilot, depth finder, trim tab controls, and a bow thruster. This boat also has a custom tilt wheel, steering wheel, with your stereo controls right in the middle of the steering wheel. I like that. I haven't seen that before. All your switches are here to your starboard side. Your seat here on the bridge, lower down for sit-down cruising, or the way I like it, sitting up like this. Alright, we're on the aft deck of the 4060 Regal. Lots of seating area. It's very roomy. You got a spacious L-shaped seating area back here on the aft deck. One thing I tell you, I really like this. This invention with this transom door is perfect. You don't have to latch anything. It's all in the hinge right there, and then it stays. It's locked in place. All with your hand, and it just is perfect. Great idea. Also, we've got the Corian countertops with your sink, built-in refrigerator, and storage with tip-out trash can. Up here in the bridge cockpit area, you've got this horseshoe settee here with the table that can come out or put back in again. We're on the top decks of this 4060 Regal. Notice that the anchor is below deck. Right here is the hatch with all the anchor lines. You've got built-in storage and also wash down and more storage over here on your starboard side. Also notice here, your sun path. The back lifts up so you can lounge comfortably, or if you want to lay down, you just lay it down. Okay, I'm in the engine room of the 4060 Regal right now. Notice on each side of me, the Volvo Pentagasoline engines. You also have right here the 7.3 Kohler generator. Fuel tanks on each side. Lots of room in this engine room to be able to work on these engines if needed. Standing inside the cabin of the 4060 Regal, up in the forward cabin you've got an island berth, built-in closets, storage areas, flat screen TV, cedar line closet over here on the port, and your access to the head. Also your privacy door. Comes right out of the wall and closes. Separates the forward cabin from the rest of the boat. In the salon area, you've got this big leather sofa with leg rests on each end of the sofa. With the flat screen TV over there, it makes it perfect for viewing TV. Notice the galley area with Corian countertops, 2-burner electric stove, stainless steel sink, lots of built-in storage areas on this boat. You also have a built-in microwave oven, side-by-side refrigerator freezer, stereo system with surround sound in the entire boat here with a flat screen TV. Also notice the natural teak wood decking and teak steps they've added inside the cabin of this boat. Standing in the aft cabin, you have 2 single berths that do convert to a full-size berth. Built-in closet, flat screen TV, and more storage areas. Stereo system. Also your own private head with stand-up shower. Corian countertops and sink, mirror, more storage areas. 60, we're going to show you the dead rise. We're at a slow speed right now. So here's the dead rise. Here we go. There you have it. Not bad at all. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this edition of Virtual Seat Trial. Remember, this is a brand new 2008 4060 Regal. The price has been drastically reduced. You can contact Jerry Whittle Boats at 972-221-7070 or go to whittleboats.com. For Virtual Seat Trials, I'm Dennis Gibbs, the boat guy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Keep walking.